Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Tim with Sharper Image Auto Detailing here in the Conway, Arkansas area. And finally, we've got some beautiful weather. It's not raining, it's sunshine today. Today we're going to be doing our maintenance package on this Porsche. We see this about once a month. So I just want to bring you guys in, show you the before and after, what a professional maintenance detail looks like. If you're in our area, the Central Arkansas area, you're needing someone to detail your car, give us a call. We offer monthly maintenance plans. Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Tim with Sharper Image Auto Detailing. We are finally done with our maintenance wash today. I just wanted to bring you guys in.